Rajasthan, the land of kings, holds many secrets. This vast state, known for its majestic forts, vibrant culture, and expansive deserts, is a treasure trove of history and tradition. Every corner of Rajasthan tells a story, and every town has its own unique charm. Among these, some places remain lesser known, waiting to be discovered by those who seek the road less traveled. LOSAL is one such secret. Nestled away from the bustling tourist trails, this quaint town offers a glimpse into the authentic Rajasthani way of life. Its colorful houses and ancient temples stand as a testament to its rich heritage and cultural significance. This town is in the Sikar district. Located in the northeastern part of Rajasthan, Sikar is known for its historical significance and architectural marvels. LOSAL, a part of this district, is a hidden gem that often goes unnoticed by many travelers. It is a hidden gem. The town's serene environment and picturesque landscapes make it a perfect escape for those looking to experience tranquility and simplicity. The traditional houses, with their intricate designs and vibrant colors, add to the town's charm. LOSAL is home to about 30,000 people. Despite its small size, the town is bustling with activity. The streets are filled with the sounds of daily life, from the chatter of locals to the calls of street vendors. It's a place where everyone knows each other, and community ties are strong. Most can read and write. Education is highly valued in LOSAL, and the town boasts a high literacy rate. Schools and libraries are an integral part of the community, reflecting the residents' commitment to learning and personal growth. This shows their commitment to education. LOSAL may seem small, but its dedication to nurturing young minds is evident. The sight of students engrossed in their studies and the presence of well-maintained libraries speak volumes about the town's priorities. But it has a big heart. The warmth and hospitality of the people of LOSAL are truly remarkable. Visitors are often greeted with smiles and open arms, making them feel right at home. The sense of community is strong, and everyone looks out for one another. It welcomes everyone with open arms. Whether you're a traveler passing through or someone looking to stay a while, LOSAL's residents ensure that you feel like a part of their extended family. Their genuine kindness and generosity leave a lasting impression on all who visit. LOSAL is a place of peace. Away from the hustle and bustle of city life, the town offers a serene and peaceful environment. The quiet streets, the gentle rustling of leaves, and the soft chirping of birds create a calming atmosphere that soothes the soul. It is a place of tradition. The town's rich cultural heritage is evident in its architecture, festivals, and daily life. Traditional Rajasthani attire, folk music, and dance are an integral part of LOSAL's identity, preserving the essence of its history and customs. Life moves at a slower pace here. In LOSAL, there's no rush. People take their time to enjoy the simple pleasures of life. Whether it's a leisurely walk through the town or a relaxed afternoon spent chatting with neighbors, the pace of life is refreshingly slow. This is a welcome change from the busy cities. For those accustomed to the fast-paced life of urban areas, LOSAL offers a much-needed respite. The contrast between the hectic city life and the relaxed, unhurried lifestyle of LOSAL is striking and rejuvenating. LOSAL invites you to slow down. The town encourages visitors to take a break from their busy schedules and immerse themselves in its tranquil surroundings. It's a place where you can truly unwind and reconnect with yourself. It asks you to enjoy the simple things. In LOSAL, the beauty lies in simplicity. Whether it's savoring a cup of tea, enjoying a home-cooked meal, or simply taking in the natural beauty, the town reminds us to appreciate the little moments that make life special. LOSAL is a town of faith. Temples dot its landscape. Nestled in the heart of Rajasthan, this quaint town is a spiritual haven for many. The skyline of LOSAL is punctuated by the spires and domes of numerous temples, each with its own unique story and significance. As you wander through the narrow streets, the air is filled with the scent of incense and the sound of temple bells, creating an atmosphere of serene devotion. The town's rich history is reflected in its ancient temples, which have stood the test of time and continue to be places of worship and pilgrimage. They stand as testaments to its spirituality. Each temple, with its intricate carvings and detailed architecture, tells a story of devotion and faith. The walls of these temples are adorned with beautiful murals and sculptures that depict various deities and mythological tales. These artistic expressions are not just decorations, but are integral to the spiritual experience, guiding devotees in their prayers and rituals. The temples of LOSAL are not just places of worship, they are living museums that preserve the cultural and religious heritage of the region. The Ramdevji temple is a grand structure. Its towering spires and ornate facade make it one of the most prominent landmarks in LOSAL. The temple is an architectural marvel, with its intricate carvings and detailed sculptures that showcase the craftsmanship of the artisans who built it. The temple's design is a blend of traditional Rajasthani and Mughal architectural styles, making it a unique and fascinating structure to behold. It is dedicated to Baba Ramdev. Baba Ramdev, also known as Ramdev Pir, is a revered saint in Rajasthan. He is believed to have miraculous powers and is worshipped by people of all faiths. The temple houses a beautiful idol of Baba Ramdev, which is the focal point of devotion for the pilgrims who visit the temple. The idol is adorned with colorful clothes and jewelry, and the temple is decorated with flowers and lights, creating a vibrant and festive atmosphere. He is a local deity, revered by many. Baba Ramdev's teachings and miracles have made him a beloved figure in the region. His followers believe that he has the power to heal the sick and fulfill the wishes of those who pray to him with a pure heart. The temple is a place where devotees come to seek his blessings and offer their prayers. The faith and devotion of the people are evident in the way they revere Baba Ramdev and celebrate his legacy. Pilgrims flock to this temple. Every year, thousands of devotees from all over the country visit the Ramdevji temple to pay their respects and seek blessings. The temple is especially crowded during the annual fair, which is held in honor of Baba Ramdev. During this time, the town of LOSAL comes alive with festivities and the temple becomes a hub of activity. Pilgrims walk for miles to reach the temple, and the journey itself is considered a form of devotion. They seek blessings and solace. For many, a visit to the Ramdevji temple is a spiritual journey that brings peace and fulfillment. The temple provides a space for quiet reflection and prayer, where devotees can connect with the divine and find solace in their faith. The serene environment of the temple, with its peaceful surroundings and the gentle sound of prayers, creates a sense of calm and tranquility that is deeply comforting to the soul. The Balaji Temple is another popular shrine. Located in the heart of LOSAL, the Balaji Temple is dedicated to Lord Hanuman, the monkey god known for his strength and devotion. The temple is a major attraction for devotees and tourists alike, who come to admire its beautiful architecture and seek the blessings of Lord Hanuman. The temple's grand entrance and towering spires make it a striking landmark in the town. It is dedicated to Lord Hanuman. The temple houses a magnificent statue of Lord Hanuman, which is the center of devotion for the worshippers. The statue is depicted in a powerful stance, symbolizing strength and courage. Devotees offer flowers, sweets, and other offerings to the deity, seeking his blessings for protection and success. The temple is a place where people come to express their devotion and find inspiration in the stories of Lord Hanuman's bravery and loyalty. He is known for his strength and devotion. Lord Hanuman is a beloved figure in Hindu mythology, known for his unwavering devotion to Lord Rama and his incredible feats of strength. The stories of his adventures and his role in the epic Ramayana are an inspiration to many. The Balaji temple celebrates these qualities of Lord Hanuman, and the devotees who visit the temple are reminded of the values of loyalty, courage, and devotion that he embodies. The temple is a hub of activity. On any given day, the Balaji temple is bustling with devotees who come to offer their prayers and participate in the various rituals and ceremonies. The temple grounds are filled with the sounds of chanting and the ringing of bells, creating a lively and vibrant atmosphere. During festivals, the temple becomes even more crowded, with people from all over the region coming to celebrate and take part in the festivities. Devotees offer prayers and sing hymns. The rituals at the Balaji temple are a beautiful expression of faith and devotion. Devotees gather to sing hymns and chant prayers, creating a sense of community and shared spirituality. The temple is adorned with flowers and lights, and the air is filled with the fragrance of incense. The act of offering prayers and singing hymns is a way for the devotees to connect with the divine and express their gratitude and devotion. The atmosphere is electric with faith. The energy and enthusiasm of the devotees create an electric atmosphere at the Balaji temple. The temple is a place where people come together to celebrate their faith and find strength in their beliefs. The festive decorations, the sound of prayers, and the sight of devotees with their hands raised in prayer all contribute to the vibrant and uplifting environment. The temples of LOSAL, with their rich history and spiritual significance, continue to be a source of inspiration and solace for all who visit. The Sheshnag temple is a sight to behold. It is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. He is one of the principal deities in Hinduism. The temple comes alive during Krishna Janmashtami. This festival celebrates the birth of Lord Krishna. The temple is beautifully decorated. People from all walks of life come together. They sing devotional songs. They enact plays about Krishna's life. The air is thick with incense and joy. The celebrations are a sight to behold. They are a testament to the town's vibrant culture. Step outside LOSAL town, a different world awaits. Vast agricultural fields stretch as far as the eye can see. They are a patchwork of green and gold. Farmers tend to their crops with care. They work hard to feed the nation. The air is fresh and clean. The scent of earth fills your nostrils. The sound of birdsong fills the air. This is rural India at its best. It is a place of simple living. It is a place of quiet beauty. Section 5. Tranquility amidst fields, the essence of LOSAL. Life in rural LOSAL is slow and peaceful. The village of LOSAL, nestled amidst sprawling fields and gentle hills, offers a glimpse into a world where time seems to stand still. Here the hustle and bustle of modern life fade away, replaced by the gentle rhythm of nature and the simple joys of rural living. The sun rises over the fields, casting a golden hue that bathes the landscape in warmth and serenity. As the day progresses, the village comes alive with the sounds of nature and the activities of its inhabitants. The people are warm and welcoming, their smiles are genuine, and their hospitality is heartfelt. Visitors to LOSAL are often struck by the kindness and generosity of the villagers, who are always ready to share a meal, a story, or a helping hand. The sense of community here is strong, with neighbors looking out for one another and working together to ensure the well-being of all. It's a place where everyone knows each other and where the bonds of friendship and family run deep. They live in harmony with nature. The villagers of LOSAL have a deep respect for the land and its resources. They understand that their livelihood depends on the health of the environment, and they take great care to preserve it. Farming is done using traditional methods that have been passed down through generations, ensuring that the soil remains fertile and the crops bountiful. The villagers also take time to enjoy the beauty of their surroundings, often spending their evenings walking through the fields or sitting under the shade of a tree, watching the world go by. They understand the rhythm of the land. The changing seasons dictate the pace of life in LOSAL, with each season bringing its own set of tasks and challenges. In the spring, the fields are ploughed and seeds are sown, while summer is a time of growth and nurturing. The autumn harvest is a time of celebration, as the villagers gather to reap the fruits of their labor. Winter is a time of rest and reflection, as the land lies dormant and the villagers prepare for the cycle to begin anew. They respect the cycle of seasons. The villagers of LOSAL have a profound understanding of the natural world and its cycles. They know that each season has its own beauty and purpose, and they embrace the changes with grace and gratitude. The fields transform with the seasons, from the vibrant greens of spring and summer to the golden hues of autumn and the stark beauty of winter. This deep connection to the land and its rhythms is a source of strength and stability for the villagers, grounding them in a world that is constantly changing. There is a sense of tranquility here. The village of LOSAL is a place of peace and quiet where the stresses of modern life seem far away. The air is clean and fresh, filled with the scent of flowers and the sounds of birdsong. The landscape is dotted with trees and fields, creating a patchwork of green and gold that stretches as far as the eye can see. The village roads are lined with trees, providing shade and a sense of calm. It's a place where one can truly relax and unwind, finding solace in the beauty of nature. It is hard to find in the bustling cities. In contrast to the chaos and noise of urban life, LOSAL offers a sanctuary of calm and simplicity. The pace of life here is slower, allowing people to take the time to appreciate the little things. The villagers are not in a hurry, and they value quality of life over material wealth. This stark contrast between the city and the village highlights the unique charm of LOSAL, making it a haven for those seeking peace and tranquility. The gentle breeze rustling through the fields. The wind carries with it the whispers of the land, a soothing sound that calms the mind and soul. The sight of grass and crops swaying gently in the breeze is a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the interconnectedness of all living things. It's a simple yet profound experience, one that brings a sense of peace and contentment. The chirping of crickets in the evening. As the sun sets and the day comes to a close, the village is enveloped in a symphony of natural sounds. The chirping of crickets is a familiar and comforting sound, signaling the end of another peaceful day. It's a time for reflection and relaxation as the villagers gather with their families to share stories and enjoy the quiet beauty of the evening, the star-filled sky at night. The night sky in LOSAL is a breathtaking sight, free from the light pollution of the cities. The stars shine brightly, creating a dazzling display that fills the heart with wonder. The Milky Way stretches across the sky, a reminder of the vastness of the universe and our place within it. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring experience, one that connects the villagers to the greater cosmos. All these elements create a sense of peace. It soothes the soul. The essence of LOSAL lies in its simplicity and its connection to nature. It's a place where one can find true tranquility away from the noise and distractions of modern life. The beauty of the landscape, the warmth of the people, and the gentle rhythm of rural life all come together to create a haven of peace and serenity. It's a place that stays with you long after you've left, a reminder of the simple joys and profound beauty of life in harmony with nature. Section 6. Shyampura Nature Abode, an eco-tourism paradise. For those seeking a retreat, LOSAL offers Shyampura Nature Abode. This eco-resort is a haven for nature lovers. It is nestled amidst the fields. It offers a unique blend of comfort and sustainability. The cottages are made from natural materials. They blend seamlessly with the environment. Solar power provides energy. Organic farming methods are used. This ensures a minimal ecological footprint. Section 7. Connecting with nature offerings at Shyampura. At Shyampura, you can reconnect with nature. Take a walk through the organic farm. Learn about sustainable living practices. Go birdwatching in the surrounding fields. The resort also offers yoga and meditation sessions. These help you find inner peace. You can also interact with the local community, learn about their culture and traditions. Section 8. LOSAL, a blend of tradition and tranquility. LOSAL is a unique destination. It offers a blend of culture and nature. The temples reflect the town's rich heritage. The rural landscapes offer a glimpse of rural India. The town provides a peaceful retreat. It is a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. It allows you to reconnect with yourself. It lets you appreciate the simple things in life. Section 9. Invitation to Paradise. Discover LOSAL's charm. LOSAL is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. It is a place where time seems to slow down. It is a place where you can find peace and tranquility. So come explore LOSAL. Experience its charm for yourself. You will leave with a renewed appreciation for life's simple pleasures. You will carry the memories of this charming town in your heart.